Roku TV black screen red light blinking. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen and red light blinking issue on your Roku TV. Step 1. Power cycle your Roku TV. Unplug your Roku TV from the power outlet. Await for 60 seconds to fully drain residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Check your remote and connections. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries. Check all HDMI and power cables are securely connected. Try a different HDMI port or cable if possible. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on your Roku TV, if it has one, for about 10 seconds until the screen goes blank and restarts. If your TV doesn't have a power button, unplug and plug it back quickly to try to force a restart. Step 4. Factory reset, if needed. I'll locate the reset button on the back or bottom of your Roku TV, usually a small pinhole. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds until the TV restarts. A note: this will erase your settings and apps, so use it only if other steps don't work. Step 5. Contact Roku support. If none of these steps work, your TV may have a hardware issue. Visit roku.com/support or contact customer service for help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more Roku TV troubleshooting tips.